Hello again. This is like attempt number something. I kind of stopped caring. First, we start with 20. Start with 20. Well, with 1 0. Then we want to do 40. Oh, it's potato speed. Then we want to do a 40 here. 40. I clicked it, I swear. And while that's going off slow my land, we're gonna do it over here. 10. We want to insert 10. Insert. Oh, first check. 10 smaller than base node 20, so we go left. And because there's nothing left, or nothing to the left of it, we just plop the 10 right there. Here, because pain, and I've done this like a billion times by now. There's no specific key, so I'm just gonna hit insert. Oh, it's still fast. Oh god, oh god. First, it looks at this 20. Oh, 10 less than 20, we go down. And then it does the same thing again. We're 10 less than 20, we go down. And now, see, same thing again. And then we're at the base node. And at the base node, we make the same comparison. Where 10 is less than 20. And because there's no more going down, we insert that key right there. And now, we're going to flip coins to see if we add more 10s. First coin says yes. We ask again, survey says yes. Ask again, survey says no. You get tails. That's the first one done. Alright. More. Yay. That one does nothing because it doesn't insert the same key twice, because why would it? It's not binary search trees. Imagine. I gotta do with 80. I gotta do. Okay, no. I'm sorry if I'm rambling. I'm tired, man. I don't know why I'm doing this early. Or not this, I mean late. I guess, like, I know I'm not gonna wake up that early tomorrow, and I don't want to be rushing with like an hour, 30 minutes left, not really knowing what I'm doing. So I guess I'm just gonna do it now, not knowing what I'm doing. At least I have time. When you grade my stuff, can you, like, recommend me some shows? Or, like, an album? I don't know, I'm just trying to find stuff. Thank you in advance, or not. I don't know if you're gonna do it. Alright, fun part. So, well, that's having this whatever. Binary search tree. We slow this bad boy down. We want to insert another 20 because we hate ourselves. First comparison, what we want to insert, top node. 20 is bigger than 10, so we go right. 20 less than 40, so we go left. 20 not less than 40, so we go right. Right is greater than or equal to, so that's why it goes right. Because there's nothing to the right, that's where you place it in. And now we have two 20s for some reason. Why do you do this? Alright. Now we want to insert 20 to here. Please tell me to slow down. Alright, cool, now slow down. So first comparison we're going to make. 100 is greater than 20. So we go down a notch. And now we compare it with this list. 10 is less than 20, so we move over. Compare it to the next notch. 40, bigger than 20, so we go down. 40, again, bigger than 20, so we go down. 40, once more, bigger than 20. But since we can't go down anymore, we found where we gotta place it in. So we just place it to the right of wherever we were standing on. And now, times for the flipping coins part. I put 1 0, so we got one head, and then we got tails right after it. Yeah, there's nothing on the very bottom. Right, 30. Just wanna do that. I'm gonna speed that up so it's not moving like a grandma. And now, let's say we hate the number 5 because I have a little cousin who's 5 and he cries a lot. Actually, no, he's chill. The 4-year-old's evil. Goodness. Well, that's another matter. So we want to delete 5. So first we got to search for 5. And we look at 10 right here. It's not 5. What is 10? Greater than 5. So we go left because we know 5 is less than 10. We look at this one. Now it is 5. And we say we hate 5-year-olds. Get them out of here. Disgusting. I was never 5. I skipped that age. And we delete it. Over here, we want to remove 5. And I gotta slow it down again. 100, greater than 5, move down. 10, greater than 5, move down. 5, that is 5. So we're gonna move over, and then we're gonna go down again because we're at 5, and just remove that entire column. Yeah, right there. Now, what's the last two? 50 and 80. Okay, cool. Hey, I'll make it in time this time. Okay, gotta speed that up. Insert 50. I gotta remove 80. No, I just gotta look up 80. Okay. I don't know how you do lookup in this, besides like another insert. But, we want to find 80. 80 greater than 10. We move over to 40. 80 greater than 40. We move right to 80. 80. Oh, we found 80. Congratulations. Here, there's an actual animation. Oh god, I have less than a minute. Okay. Look up. 100. More than 80. Go down. 10. Less than 80. Go right. 40. Less than 80. Go right. 100. Less than 80. Go down. 50. Less than 80. Go right. 80. That's actually what we want. And then we go down again, because we're already at 80. Bam! We found 80! Alright. Please be the final take.